As you can see on the screen, even though my previous short trading position on this currency pair has hit its profit target, price was still trading below the 360 period simple moving averages on the currency pair's daily time frame. And if you take a close look at the chart which is being displayed on the screen, you'll notice that the blue line of the ADX indicator is still rising above the horizontal line which was placed at the indicator's 25 level mark, signaling to us that a downtrend still exists on this currency pair. If the blue line of the ADX indicator was sloping to the downside, I wouldn't have taken the short trading position which I took on this currency pair. Even if the blue line of the ADX indicator was above the horizontal line which was placed at its 25 level mark. When I cranked down to the 4-hour time frame of the USD CHF currency pair, I noticed that the direction of its short-term trend was also bearish since price was still trading below the 360 period simple moving averages on the currency pair's 4-hour chart. And this was the reason why I proceeded to its 1-hour time frame to look for low risk high probability trade entry and exit levels in the direction of the established downtrend which I identified on the currency pair's daily and 4-hour charts. As you can see on the screen, I got into the market with a short trade on this currency pair, a couple of pips below the lowest price of the most recent swing low when I cranked down to its 1-hour chart, immediately after all of the trade setup identification rules of our trend trading strategy were met on its higher time frame. And in line with the rules of our trend following Forex trading strategy, I placed a stop loss order for this short trading position at the price level where the 60 period simple moving average which was applied to price's high was located at, right after I identified the trade's entry level. When I hover my mouse's cursor over the trade's stop loss order, you'll notice that its distance from the trade's entry level is only about 21.1 pips. Therefore, according to the rules of our trend following Forex trading strategy, this trade's profit target would need to be placed about 42.2 pips away from its entry level for us to be able to maintain the 1:2 risk to reward ratio which our Forex trading strategy requires of us. Having done all of this, all that was left for me to do was to simply sit on my hands and wait for price to either hit my short trade's profit target or stop loss order.
A few moments later.
Unfortunately, price ended up reversing against the short trading position which I took on this currency pair and hitting its stop loss order to take me out of the market with a loss of about 1% of my trading account's capital on this particular trading position. Now, even though this trade was a losing trade, it definitely wasn't a bad trade since I lost the trade while I was following all of the rules of my Forex trading strategy. However, if I had taken my profits too early, I would have considered this trade as a bad trade even though I would have gotten out of the market with some profits on it, simply because I wouldn't have followed the rules of my trend following Forex trading strategy. The reason why I follow the carefully crafted rules of my trend following Forex trading strategy through good and bad times is simply because I know that they're going to protect me from making dumb trading decisions, and they're also going to help me make money through Forex trading over the long run because they give me an unfair advantage over the markets, just like the advantage which casinos enjoy over their players. My advice to you would be to set a goal of taking at least 100 trades using this Forex trading strategy before trying to assess its trading performance. And to help you accomplish this task, I actually created a private Facebook group where newbies who are struggling and experienced Forex traders who are making a killing with the Forex trading strategy which I just showed you in this video can hang out and help each other to become consistently profitable Forex traders. One of the reasons why I did this is because I know how much of a lonely business Forex trading can be when you're trying to go at it all by yourself. Fortunately, you're not going to need to spend a fortune on low quality online courses or countless hours trying to figure out how to make money through Forex trading when you join our vibrant community of Forex traders over at FXMindTrix Academy.com/community. So what would you rather do? Are you going to commit to this Forex trading strategy and take at least 100 trades with it and prove to yourself that it actually works? Or are you just going to dump it after you encounter a losing streak in search of the next best no-loss Forex trading strategy, which you're probably not going to find anyways? I'd love to hear what you intend to do in our private Forex trading community over on Facebook. So do yourself a favor and take that life-changing step towards becoming the consistently profitable Forex trader which you've always wanted to become by heading over to FXMindTrix Academy.com/community or just clicking on the link in this video's description box below. I'm pretty sure you're not going to regret it. In the meantime, if you would like to learn how to make money online through Forex trading, working less than 4 hours a week from anywhere in the world, head on over to FXMindTrixAcademy.com/blueprint or click on the link in this video's description box below to get instant access to the PDF guide and exclusive video training which is going to show you exactly how to do that right away. And now it's over to you. Since you've now learned how to find entry and exit points using our powerful, low-risk, high-probability Forex trading strategy, let me know which one of these currency pairs you're going to take your 100 trades on using our Forex trading strategy in the comment section. Are you going to take your first 100 trades on the AUD-USD currency pair or the GBP-USD currency pair? I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comment section of this video below. But if you'd like to learn exactly how to find low-risk, high-probability Forex trade setups using the trend-following Forex trading strategy which you just saw me use to trade the live foreign exchange markets in this video, click on the video which is being linked on the screen now. And while you're at it, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and click on the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload more actionable live Forex trading tutorials just like this one. Thanks a lot for watching this video. See you in the next one.